loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play with Shein makeup. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely a little bit nervous. But if you go on the Shein website and you look at all of their makeup, a lot of it has crazy good reviews, like crazy good reviews. So I am pretty excited. I did look up one tutorial, that's all I could really find when I looked it up, of someone else using these products, and she seemed to like them. I got a couple of things she had and then some other stuff, so I was hoping there would at least be some good things. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. If you're excited about this, please give this video a thumbs up so I know and I can do more Shein makeup videos for you. Let's go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's do this. All right, so I think I have an entire full face. I know that they sent me a refund for like $3, so I don't know what didn't ship. All of this is obviously very, very affordable. I don't think anything was over $5 or $6. Most of the things were like $3, $4. I think a couple things were like $2.50. So it is super affordable. It's hopefully colors match. It's really hard to tell. I don't know. We're just gonna, let's just do this. Okay, let's just do this. I have primed my face with a little bit of the No Pore Primer. Okay, first we are going to go in with foundation. So this is the foundation, it's the Silky Matte Liquid Foundation. Mine is in Classic Ivory. No, girl. Oh, wow, it's kind of bougie. Comes in a little velvet thing. Wow, wow. Actually pretty impressed with this packaging. It's like the frosted glass. There's gold on the top. Like, that looks nice. It says shake well. So we're gonna shake it. Ooh, she's gonna be a little bit dark. We're not tan in the least right now. We might have to go in with something lighter with it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be... I'm sorry guys, I think I got the lightest shade. Well, let me just like put some on, look at it, and then we're gonna have to lighten it up. There. This is not ivory. I want you guys to see it. I know I look ridiculous, but I want you guys to see that it does look really nice on the skin. I'm gonna put a little bit of the AOA Pro Wear. Okay, so I have those mixed. Let's hope that we can make this work, because I tried. This does not match. This does not match. This does not match. I should have worn like a turtleneck. It sucks because it looks like it's a really good foundation, but this is just not working. This is gonna be a lot of blending. Let me open the concealer. This concealer I got is the Focular, I don't even know, that one right there. It's oxidizing, guys. It's getting darker. You are not going to be able to see more of me than this. Hopefully, I'm going to put on the concealer. Like, the finish of it, though, I know I look silly, guys. I know I look silly, but the finish of this, though, looks really, really nice. Like, really, really nice. Like, what the heck? I wonder if there's a lighter shade. First of all, if there is a lighter shade, I don't know what I was thinking, but... Okay, you guys have to see this, though. I know there's a little bit of that. But keep in mind, I don't really love that other one. Girl, so far, it's 10 times better than I expected. We're gonna go in with some concealer, and hopefully this will blend and help a little bit. This is in shade 2 Light Cream. This might help a little bit. I'm going to kind of put some around my face so we can kind of lighten this up. Oh, this has a strong scent. I didn't notice a scent at all with the foundation, but that concealer does have a scent. Oof. Very perfumey. I think this concealer... I'm trying to blend with my left hand. This is difficult. I think this is the concealer the girl that I watched used, and I was like, girl. I don't like that it has such a strong scent on a concealer, of all things. Of all things. The coverage is decent. It's not the best, though. I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to reach for my Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder and Translucent. I'm going to use this powder on random points of my face to try and lighten it a little bit, just so I look a little more, you know, my shade. All right, next we're going to try out the waterproof eyebrow pencil. I wish it didn't have such, like, this is kind of excessive packaging for a brow pencil, you know? Just the classic. One end kind of looks like a teardrop and one end is a spoolie. This is so warm. I don't really feel like trying harder on my brows today. Is that okay? So it's a little bit warm, but it's not bad at all. It's just, it's kind of average, I guess. All I can smell is that concealer. As far as contours went, this is the only kind of powder contour they even had. It was in a face palette. This is by SHE GLAM. Pop it open and give this face a little bit of definition. Ooh, I mean, she looks nice. It's got a mirror and then it's got all of these shades in there. I'm thankful that it really was a matte one. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you're looking online if something's gonna be matte or shimmery. It's called fairy dust for a bronzer is a very strange thing to call it, but it looks a little bit orange, but I look a little bit orange. So we're just gonna go with it. Let's see. Wish me luck. Not bad. Yeah. I actually kind of like that. It's nice and, well, it looks more subtle because I'm extra tan from this foundation right now. Here is what the packaging looks like. So this blush is in Tangerine. Again, it's a SHE GLAM blush. It looks like a little ombre blush. It actually looks really cute and up my alley. Very powdery. She pigmented though. It's got like the smallest bit of sheen to it. It's really pretty. See, like just a little glow. So far, I really like the blush. Now we are on to eyes. I have a few, girl, I've got some stuff and some things. I just got foundation. I have foundation all over my hands, clearly. This is the shadow palette that I picked out. It is obviously by the Shein brand. The warm neutrals, I went pretty basic with, I'm shaky. Ooh. This one appealed to me the most. It does have a mirror. This is what it looks like. I'm thinking we're gonna do something bronzy peachy, which is not unusual for me, but really we're just testing it out. This isn't gonna be some sort of revolutionary eye look. I do have a couple of these little glitters. I did get these liquid shadows too. So this pack of 3 was like $3.40, I think. Look at it. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. This guy had sold out and then it was like, ooh, 2 left. And I was like, I gotta place this order right now. So I'm sure it's just like a pressed glitter. These little guys I think were $2.50. It's like in ColourPop packaging. Ah! Oh my God, look at that. What? Mermaid vibes. It's definitely one of those ones that sticks to your finger, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Glitter always gets me this like iridescent. Thank you. Oh. Let's get some base colors on my lid and then we'll decide which of these beauties we are going to use. This guy has like 1 metallic shadow and 2 glitters, like a bronzy glitter and more of a silver champagne glitter. I'm gonna start, I think, with yellow. It's a pigmented yellow. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this shade right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this brown. I'm gonna go in and blend this afterwards. I'm just kind of placing colors. This one is so small. It's great for like detail work, blending. It's just tiny. I feel like I'm putting in more work than I want to with this shadow. It's not bad by any means. It's just not, you know. It's gonna take a little bit of the orangey shade and the brown on this brush. I'm just gonna tuck it in right on this outer corner. I'm gonna take that cream shade right here. It's hard to hold because it doesn't go flat. It's gonna pop that up here. It's very, ooh, that's kind of, that just looks yellow. My face powder is like the star of the show today. I'm gonna take a little bit of face powder, same one I've been using that's light, and pop that under there. I think I'm gonna try the like liquid shadow, like the metallic liquid shadow in there, and I'm gonna use that to kind of cut my crease, I think. Just taking that. Alright, so that's the first layer of something we're gonna put on the lid. I think I'm gonna add some of this glitter. This one is in Kitten Karma. It's not a Stila. I really want to use this one. I might honestly put all three of these on my lid. Let's hope that I don't regret it. I'm going to layer this lighter one towards the inner corner. These are okay, these are pretty. These are pretty. Let's hope that they don't make my eyelids burn or anything. So far, so good. I'm gonna take a little bit of this other one. Oh, I didn't. They come in a 3 set, but then this one, Diamond Dust. They literally took all of the shade names from Stila. This one's just rose gold. This one's darker. So I'm gonna put it out here. Let me get in there. What we're looking at. I'm gonna give that a second to dry. I did get a waterproof liquid liner. This is again from SHE GLAM waterproof liquid eyeliner. It's like a pen, hoping for the best. Oh my, wow. I hope this dries matte. One thing is there's almost too much liquid coming out of this pen right now. It did transfer just a little bit, so you definitely have to be careful with this liner. Right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes. I'm leaning towards these. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty and dramatic. They're so big though. Thank you. So there's these, which look absolutely beautiful. And then there are these two from SHE GLAM. This one right here kind of looks like Jessica from Shop Miss A. I feel like this is... I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna give it a go. If it's terrible, I'll use a different one and I'll let you know which one I used. But I'm gonna trim them a little bit because they are super long. Maybe I'll trim them. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna pop those on. I'll be right back. Okay, girl, these lashes are huge, but I kind of love them. I guess I'll know. It's hard to like... I mean, I can look in the mirror, but they're very large for my small eye. I probably need to highlight my inner corner. Let's see what this shade looks like. This is a Clear and Bright Liquid Blush Highlight in Diamond Glitter. The packaging on this is what got me. I saw it and I was like, that looks so cute. What is it? It's by SHE GLAM again. It's gonna be too dark. We'll try it. That's where I'm at. Let's try it. It's... Oh, she there. We're gonna definitely, I think, put a powder highlight on top of that though. But let's go ahead. It just looks pretty dark. If I didn't have this on, there's no way that would even possibly, like if my foundation wasn't too dark right now, I don't think there's any way this would possibly work. It's kind of cool though. It's like a little, put it in there and it dips into the product. I'm gonna use this one right here just to brighten that up. You guys know me. I need a bright highlight. I really want a bright inner corner highlight and I don't really have it in this. So I'm gonna go with my Ride or Die, my Shop Miss A pigment. It's a dollar holla. I know I say that too much. I'm gonna put a little bit of this under my brow bone. Okay guys, we're down to lips. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we made it this far. We have made it this far. I got this little SHE GLAM set. They definitely look like they want to be Jeffree Star. I don't remember if they look like this on the website or not. But okay. So stinking cute though. Look at the little babies. The little babies. I'm probably gonna use this nude one. Ooh, so I don't think they have actual names on them. Ooh, that's real pretty too. And there's a red one. Of course I want to do the nude, always and forever. The shades that come in there, all three definitely ones I would wear. Even has like the Jeffree Star type of wand. I look so tan. I don't smell anything, they don't really have a scent. Okay, so these seem really nice. My lips are a little bit dry. I added just a tiny bit of concealer as I was cleaning up the edges, which clearly my concealer is too light to blend this. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Honestly, I mean, it's not bad. There definitely were some gems. I really like the contour and highlight palette. Again, everything will be linked down below because some stuff doesn't really have like names on them. I really like these lashes. Oh my goodness, I think they're so pretty. The liquid shadows are really good. I'm excited to show those glitters. I'm sorry that I didn't really have anywhere to pop those on. The liquid lips are really nice. They're a little bit, they don't really smudge that much. Okay, they smudge, but they don't really smear. Does that make sense? Not at all. The eyeshadow palette was okay. It wasn't the best. It wasn't the worst. Definitely workable, as you can see, but not as easily blendable as some other affordable eyeshadow palettes. Brow pencil, again, was good. Nothing really special. I honestly feel like I would really like this foundation for the most part if it was my shade. Clearly it is many shades darker than my skin tone. I did my best to blend. It's not too bad right now. I did my best. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want another one, let me know. Let me know if you've tried anything from Shein in the makeup department that you enjoy. Again, if you would like to order anything, it's linked below and just use the code SHORTCAKE. It'll save you 15%. Yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye, channel. Today we are going to choking on my own spit already. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Anyone else losing their mind? Mine's been gone for a while, so I look so tan, but if you look at the rest of me, sorry.